Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Libras. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. Libras, we have Two of Cups in reverse, the Fool, and Empress. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Libras, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is feeling really confident today, confident about your skills and talents, and you may have some kind of an intuition today guiding you in certain things, and you are totally inspired, feeling really happy, cheerful, and you want to take on your situation head on. You want to just move forward in your career or in your relationship. You are energetic, feeling really energetic, happy, and you have that determination to do the right things in your life today. So you are willing to face any situation today, guys. You have that attitude, that positive mindset in your circumstances today, Libras. And it may be in your work or in your relationship. So you are faced with some questions today. Maybe you need to make some important decisions, and you are really feeling inspired, confident about your knowledge, and you want to make a decision for yourself. But if you are making something important today, guys, you must not just rely on your cheerfulness or happiness, but you must think clearly before making that choice. So, this choice may alter the way things are in your circumstances, your future. It may alter the way things are in your future. So, you need to think clearly before stepping into something important today. So, even in this relationship, you feel really confident, cheerful with this person, you are happy to be with them, and maybe you are planning to get married or you are planning to propose or start a family with this person. But whatever it is, guys, you should not make any impulsive decisions. So, your instincts are telling you something, but it may not work well for you, guys. So you must wait for that time where you have clarity. So whatever needs to be done, you should do it with clarity. And maybe with this person you may have that beautiful understanding, mutual love, respect, and caring. You may feel that sense of familiarity, a deep connection with this person, a bond with this person, a deep bond. But whatever it is, guys, if you want a harmonious, balanced relationship, this may not be the right time. Maybe you need to wait. And maybe things are going in a positive way, guys. You just need to take it slow. So, one step at a time. That is what is going to work for you, guys. So, for your relationship in specific, we picked one card, and it is High Priestess in reverse. So, you are really passionate about this person. You love to be with them, you love their company, But for some of you, I see you are in the beginning of this relationship. Maybe you have known them only for a short time. That may be the reason we have cards asking you to wait for some more time. So, you are in a new connection with this person, guys. That may be the reason we have these cards. So, you need to think clearly, wait, and make that right choice for you in your relationship, Libra. So, for your career situation, we have Tower in reverse. So, there are some inevitable changes happening. It may be a sudden change, something which you never expected, but you are someone with a lot of talents and skills. So these changes may be because of some decisions that you have made, impulsive decisions. So if that is the case, guys, if you are in the verge of making some important choices for yourself in your career, you must wait. This may not be the right time, guys, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax because in your circumstances today, it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship, and patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy. You have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.